Before we start creating new objects in the AOT, we need to discuss the best practices for naming conventions. Let's take a walk through these best practices. When naming elements, it is a best practice to use camel case and include prefixes that relate to the originator and the type of element. For example, in the fleet management lessons, we will prefix certain elements with DB for development basics, resulting in names such as DB table name, DB class name, and DB form name. When naming projects, it is important to name them specifically so that their purpose can be easily identified. For example, if you are making a change for a specific development project, you could name your project with the organizational ID for that development project. It is also important to prefix certain module-specific elements with the module name. For example, in exploring standard system elements, you may see accounts receivable module elements are prefixed with cust for customers, production module elements are prefixed with prod for production, accounts payable module elements are prefixed with vend for vendor, and inventory management module elements are prefixed with invent for inventory. By matching these naming conventions, you will create congruency with system elements. Lastly, in addition to prefixing elements that relate to a specific project, companies may also prefix elements that they have customized with their company initials.